What's up guys, it's me Jade, and for this week's video I am doing my Halloween makeup. Now this was attempt number 1. I messed up, so I put the shade Acapella from the James Charles X Morphe palette on my lips because I got bored. And that was attempt number 1. This right here is attempt number 1. We're going to be doing attempt number 2 of this because I feel like I could do better than this, and I could actually film good and, you know, not worry about my phone turning off the camera and being like, no, you're not filming anymore. Well, it didn't say that, but like, you know, that's what it basically said to me. So we're going to be redoing this look. I honestly love the eyeshadow look. Sis came through, you know? So I'm going to be taking this all off. Probably gonna have to take it off my neck too. I'm going to take all of this off and then I will redo it. Not exactly like this, but we are going to do attempt number 2. So, you know, the more you try, the better it gets. Always practice. The perfect practice makes perfect. Okay? Now let's get into the video. Okay, so we're currently in my grandma's restroom and we're going to wash my face because I need a clean face so I could redo my face. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. So let me wash my face and then we'll be back in my room in a quick minute or so. Okay guys, washed my face. Now it is, oh my gosh, my lashes are, oof. Sorry. So now I washed my face. Now it's time to go back in my room and have attempt number 2. Let's get going. I'm back in my room and my skin is honestly ready. That look. Oh hell no! The baby filter. Okay, so I'm going to be using this little white thing and then the grease. I'm okay. Now I'm done with the face. Okay, well, I'm done getting like the white down. This honestly doesn't look bad. I'm not gonna complain. This looks really good. Now it is time to move on to the eyeshadow. So L'Oreal's X Morphe palette, and I'm using, I believe, 3 shades. Yes, 3 shades for this look. Well, just for the eyeshadow look. I think I used more shades after, but let's get into the eyeshadow. Now, for eyeshadow, I started off with the shade You're Kidding. Now the next shade you are going to go into is the shade Benny, and it is this nice dark brown. Onto your eyelid. Now I'm going to get this little small smudger brush that I have, and I'm going to get the shade You're Kidding. Take it on my brush and bring it and drag it down to the lower lash line. There we go. And then maybe get the shade Spooky. And make it like halfway under your lower lash line. And then I just blend it. I don't even know if I'm saying any of this right, but honestly came out with a pretty good eye look. It doesn't look that bad. It probably looks like I got socked in the face, but it's okay. Wow. Like, wow. Magical. I think I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera. Be back. Now I need to do the lines coming. Okay. Right now, I realized that you guys didn't get to see all of this happen to, you know, go on my face. I got a little notification saying, look, all of your iPhone storage is currently being used. I deleted some stuff right now from my phone before I shot this, so I could have storage to film this. Now, also, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. This honestly means so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And just happy late Halloween or happy Halloween for current time for me, which is Wednesday, which is October 30th, 2019. Happy early Halloween. I don't think I should say that. I'm debating. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it in the video. Enjoy. Love you guys. See you guys next week with a new video.